Hello, everyone. We are going to Disneyland in just a few days, and so I am jazzed if you can't tell. So, I wanted to show you a few things that I am packing for our Disney trip. We have three under three, so we have 2-year-old twin toddlers and a 10-month-old baby, about to be 10 months old next week. And so I'm going to try to keep things light and simple as much as possible when we are going to our hotel and when we are at Disneyland. So let me show you a few things that I am going to take with us on our trip. So, first and foremost, I got for our twins these Mickey backpacks. Now, I was looking for a Mickey and a Minnie because we have boy girl twins, but they didn't have many, so Mickey is just fine. They're very excited about their backpacks. It has lots of storage space for some snacks and maybe a couple pull ups and change of clothes. But the main reason I got these backpacks is because they have this little chest strap that goes over the top here and then this adjustable and removable tether. So I know that they're not going to want to stay in the stroller the whole time. So I know they're going to want to walk around. That's why I wanted something like this so that way we can keep them close by and we don't lose them in a crowd. I was contemplating doing air tags in their shoes, that sort of thing, but um essentially by then they would be, have run off and then you're tracking them on your phone. So I just want them to be close by. They love their backpacks. And so they don't know that it has an ulterior motive for us, but we'll have peace of mind that they'll be close to us and they love these little backpacks and they love wearing them. Okay. Disneyland water bottle. So we got this a few years ago, the last time we went to Disneyland. And so we will be taking this with us, saving some money, and just refilling at the park. And there's a few different places in the park that are a little inconspicuous that you can fill up your water for free. Except for the hotel, we are going to be staying in a two queen room. So the twins will share one room, one bed. And that's why I got these inflatable bed rails. So that way they don't fall off the bed. So I tested these already. They fit perfectly. It has a really cool feature where it has a larger um, hole to blow up. And then once it's mostly full, then you can put the cap on. It has more of a smaller blow up area, and then you can blow up the rest too. So it flows up really fast. I actually wish all inflatable devices were like this. Of course, we are going to go to the pool because it's August and it's still very hot. And so I got these for them. This is for their swim lessons. We are teaching them how to learn how to swim, or sorry, we got lessons so that they are learning how to swim. But the nice thing about these is that they're not as bulky as we have another swim vest, which I think is better if you're, in the ocean, that sort of thing, because it has a strap underneath and it stays. But this is just for like the top area, but it has these removable flotation pieces so that as they get more and more comfortable in the water and their adjusted buoyancy, you can remove them. And so it's kind of like training wheels for swimming, but since they don't know how to swim just yet, they're still learning, we'll bring these in the pool so that we can still have fun and be safe in the water. I did a quick Target run, and for our three littles, we got matching Disney shirts. So that'll be fun. I think um, if you're going to go to Disneyland or Disney World, if you can dress up and be in the spirit of Disney, I think you should. And I'll be wearing my Disneyland shirt as well. And then my sister-in-law bought this adorable onesie for the baby, and her baby is going to match our baby too. So we'll have fun with the cousins. And then this is what I plan to wear inside the park. I didn't want to bring our diaper bag. I mean, I know I can just put it on our stroller. We're renting a stroller, so we're not going to be bringing our wagon, unfortunately, because we found out you cannot bring wagons into the park. So I wanted to keep things light and simple. And this I'm so excited about. I found this. This is actually from Huggies, the diaper and wipes brand. So it is a fanny pack slash crossbody bag, and it has 4 different areas, to hold things, and, like, this is just a bag of wipes, and you can just stow that away. So I'm just gonna be keeping things light, maybe 1 or 2 pull-ups, I'll probably just keep them in their Mickey bags, but a few diapers for the baby, some wipes, some snacks, my phone, and, my wallet. And another little bonus thing about this is in the front, you can remove this if you like, but it is a changing pad too. So I like how it's compact, and pink is my favorite color. So I'm not going to show you everything that we're going to pack. You don't need to know about the jammies and, change of clothes and socks and all the boring stuff. But these were kind of like the main things that I wanted to share with you. And I'll share some other tips along the way once we're there. Stay tuned.